Today, making a video on what happens when you overdrive an Italy KL703 amplifier. I was doing some testing and made a mistake and forgot to turn down my drive. It is a high drive box, but I put almost 100 watts in it. It swung way over to 1,000 and boom, it popped the fuses. So if you see right here, you see this fuse here, I already took the cover off to save time in the video, and I took the other 3 fuses out. There's four blue fuses. That's a 15 amp fuse. Okay, this is a fast acting fuse. Alright, it's meant to blow quickly. That way it doesn't give a chance to blow anything else in the in your amplifier. So I got 4 the blue colored fuses. As you see, the blue is a 15 and it's a common car fuse, and you got to be careful sticking them in so that you get them in the slots to lock down. Okay, that's 2. Remember, I already took the old ones out to save time in the video. Alright, make sure you get them carefully in the slots where they belong. That's 3. And the last one is 4. Now you gotta check it to make sure all the fuses are in the holder like it's supposed to be, and they're pushed down and tight. Okay, so now there's nothing else wrong with the amplifier. Okay, it's fine. The fast acting fuses pop quickly, so it doesn't give a chance for anything else in the system to burn up. Okay, so there you have it, folks. When you overdrive your Italy KL703 and you lose power to the amplifier, alright, you got it plugged up, you check your power wires, you do all this stuff, you got voltage to it and all that, just pop the back cover off, the bottom cover rather, slides out this way. Pop that off and check these 4 fuses right here, and they're going to be blown. And once they blow, just replace them. Cost me $7 and something for these 4 fuses, and now she's good to go again. And as you can see, everything else looks good. Nothing's burnt, nothing smells burnt, and these are some really tough boxes. I put almost 100 watts in it. It swung to over 1,000 and popped the fuses. So that saves your resistors, saves your capacitors, saves everything. So this is where you hook your power up to it, right here, and right next to that on the inside, this is clearly on the outside, right next to that on the inside is 4 15 amp fuses. Do not overrate your fuses. Don't put 20s in there or 30s or anything. Stick with what they put in there. They put 15s in there, you replace it with 15s. Plain and simple. If you put a 20 in there, you could damage something else inside the amplifier. So there you have it, folks. This is the front circuit board for the buttons, the on-off buttons, and all that type of thing. It's they're pretty tough amps. They're pretty tough amplifiers. They're a good box. They do around 800 constantly under the rated drive, and if you put too much in it, it will swing over 1,000, but that's going to blow those fuses. So Anyway, folks, when you lose power to your Italy KL703, just change these 4 fuses right here next to the power wires. Okay, and then your power will come back and you should be all good. Thanks for watching Torpedo Heat TV, and as usual, have a good day.